Feeling kind of Cinco de Mayo? Let's make some fresh guacamole from scratch, fast and easy, and it's better than a restaurant. You're gonna love it.
Okay, to start this off, let's get 4 avocados, nice and ripe, 4 limes, a nice red onion, some cilantro, and 2 plum tomatoes. A little bit of salt and pepper, and we're good to go. We're going to start out with the cilantro, and we're going to pull all the cilantro leaves off, try to keep the stems out of it. And I sped this up for your viewing pleasure. Once we get all the leaves out, we're going to go ahead and chop it up. I'm using what's called a prep deck here, which kind of makes it easier to prepare foods. So I'm going to chop up the cilantro and I'm going to put it into one of the containers. And then we move on to the tomato. I'm going to slice them up, chop them up. I don't put too many tomatoes in there because I don't like the consistency of the avocado. And I can't resist a good piece of tomato, and I love that crunch. Once I'm done with the tomato, I'm going to put it into another container. I'm moving on to the avocado. You want to slice it right down the middle, remove the pit, and you want to scoop it out. I happen to have a nice little bowl for mashing avocados. You don't need it, but it makes it a lot easier. Nice little stone bowl. I'm going to put about 3 of the avocados in there to start with. And I do this for a reason. Once I have all 3 in, I'm going to start adding I'm going to mash it up a little bit. Now, if you like it spicy, here's a great time to get your jalapenos ready, or peppers, or whatever you want to put in here. Me, personally, my mom couldn't cook, so I'm not good with spices. So let's chop up an onion instead. I use a red onion, chop it up, and then I'm going to place it into the prep deck container as we continue on our way. I like it a little bit chunky, not too bad. I'm going to start out on the limes. Let's go with 2 limes to start out with. That should be plenty. Now let's start adding those ingredients. Add the onions, about a handful of that. Add the cilantro and the tomatoes. Not too many because you don't want to change the consistency of it. I like it kind of thick. Salt and pepper to taste. I like it a little bit salty. I'm going to add the limes. Probably like 1.5 limes should be enough. And then I'm going to start mashing it up again. Now you're going to see if you use too much lime juice, it's going to be a little wet. So that's why I like to reserve the last avocado if this is the case. So let's slice up another avocado, remove the pit, scoop it out, place it in there, and we're going to mash that up all together. That should be just perfect. I'm going to mash that up, and we're pretty much almost done here. Can't wait to try it. Just going to take a spoon, mix it up one more time real good. And now for the taste test. Let's grab tortillas, whatever you like, tortilla chips. And here it comes. I hope you enjoyed this. More videos to come. The next one out is going to be on a homemade flan. See you next time.